Okay guys, so we are back in my house that's being renovated. And I don't know, you guys need to go watch my other video about the renovation because it's come such a long way. I just can't even believe it. So I move in next week, next Friday. And girl, I'm counting down the minutes. I literally have a countdown app on my phone. So this is what it looks like. This is what the kitchen looks like. If you guys remember, these used to be blue cabinets. There used to be this nasty tile shit on and then these nasty appliances over here. It looks like the walls just have like a base coat on them. But this is gonna be so nice. Oh, the sink's in, stainless steel, everything. Oh, the granite's in too, but they covered it up. Yeah, it's like a gray. Oh my God, it's gonna look fucking hot. Oh my God, I can't believe this. So they painted, yeah, this is not the wall color. This looks a little bit pink for some reason, but it's actually, I think it's like the primer. I don't know shit about painting, but it's definitely not my color that I've chosen. But I think they painted these things, the moldings. And wow, I just can't believe this. This is so amazing. Do you guys remember what this was like? Oh, yes. Okay. Yes. Thank God. Everything is getting painted. I can't believe how amazing this is going to be. This is literally going to be so amazing. The lighting in here is sick as fuck, just as I planned. I planned that. Okay. Bitch. I cannot believe this shit. It's a miracle that this is actually going to be done, right? Did anyone else think that this was like a stretch? That they were going to flip this in like 2 weeks? Okay, let's see what they've done at the upstairs. They painted everything. They painted this whole thing. Sorry if this fucking videography is horrible. Okay, but look. Look at my little chandeliers. It's all white up here. They're going to do a gray, obviously, like I said, with gray carpet and shit. Oh my God, I'm literally dying. And then they're ripping out this carpet off. But like, God, they've been working so hard. Like, oh my God. I just can't with how amazing this is. I literally can't. Okay, so my skincare collection is problematic. Well, it looks like I'm a little bit of a skincare hoarder. So I decided to kind of go through everything and clean it out and, hey, out. Go through it with you guys. Actually, some of these are pharmaceuticals and stuff, but hey, out. What are you thinking? What are you thinking? But this is not even all of it. Okay, and this is still not all of it. Actually, I have a lot downstairs too. So I also removed like a lot of empties out of here and also products that were just old or expired. I've already removed maybe like a third of the stuff in here. So actually, I don't even know how this video is going to go, but there are a lot of products in here too that I can't really talk about. So anyways, I don't even know how this video should go, but this is my skincare collection. I am going to have like a shelf, like a proper shelfie in my new house. So I'm going to have a proper shelfie in my new house. So yeah, like it's going to get better. So I'll be able to see things way more organized. But like right now, like this is literally what it looks like. And girl, it's a mess. Like, I just don't have enough room for everything. Facts. This is a really good, this is the oil I want to produce, but I don't think I'm going to use this packaging. It's black glass, though. It's pretty sick. I might. I don't know. Okay. This mask is so old, but it's full. But it's so old. I'm going to throw it away, actually. Actually, maybe I can use it on my body. I'll put it in the shower. Do you see how I do this? I'm a hoarder. Okay. This is a sample of the Sturm hyaluronic acid. This girl literally raved about it. I see like no difference compared to a regular hyaluronic acid, but this is only like a few uses, obviously. So I don't know. I just like for $300, bitch, come on. Like, I have so many hyaluronic acids and they're all like $10 to $30 and they work amazing. So I just feel like it's a complete fucking ripoff. It's going in the garbage. That's going in the garbage too. All these samples, like, I have really good intentions, but I just don't care. I don't care about them, but I actually already went through them and picked out the good ones, so I'm gonna keep those for now. I think that's literally it. Okay, this I stopped using. It fucking burns my eyes. I'm not about oil cleansers that burn your damn eyes because guess what, bitch? You're trying to take your eye makeup off with this. Speaking of eye makeup remover, this is horrible. In fact, I'm throwing it away. It's so bad. I literally hate it. Actually, I'm not throwing it away because it gets like minor stuff off, but it just doesn't take like my black eyeliner and my eyelash glue off. So only an oil can break that down pretty much. But this will take like really basic like under eye makeup off or something. And all this extra is like extra. Okay, so is there anything up here that I use? I sometimes have used this on my chest. I use this only if I have like no other vitamin C options. I don't really use these. These are glycolic acid pads. If I use them, I use them on my chest, but like they're so small and annoying. This I used to love. I used to use this every day. Actually, it's almost gone. I should finish it up. This is the Hada labo arbutin milk. What is this? Oh, that's a, I was testing this packaging out. This is the, ordinary 7% glycolic acid. Don't use that. I did use this for a while, but now I don't use this anymore. What's up here? I really didn't like this. I didn't see really any difference in my skin. I don't know. I thought it was basic. This I'm obsessed with. I told you guys it's an oil serum. It's rejuvenating, softens the skin, fucking amazing, smells amazing. This is the noni oil by Kora Organics, but this is actually a glass bottle, so I really appreciate that. But in general, like this product smells so much like rose. It's basically like a perfume. And I used to love Rosato, and that's what this is. This is Bulgarian rose Damaskina, but like I just can't. Is my camera like blurry? Like what's going on? Okay, I cleaned my camera. Hopefully that'll help. Okay, so yeah, Kora Organics, like Noni Glow Face Oil. I liked it. It's just literally so fragrant. I just can't. This isn't really skincare, even though it does have some like really good ingredients in it. Mostly it's like very fragrant though. So I don't mind this like once in a while when I do use it on my face, which is like when I want to use self-tanner on my face, when I just add it to like my moisturizer or whatever. But in general, like I don't use this a lot, so I don't mind it being a little bit annoying. This has like 1 drop in it. This is like my MO. I'll use something like anything and everything to the very last drop, and then I save it for eternity. I don't know why I do that. This, I mean, maybe I could just throw it out at this point. I don't know when I bought it. It's been a while. There's just so much left, and it's a good product, so I wanted to keep it, but this is a good product. This is why I love getting sample sizes. This is literally the travel size, and it's not even half gone. You know, imagine if I bought the big one. Not only do I get bored of products quickly, but I feel like maybe that's it. I just get bored of products quickly, or I find something better. So this is the Blue Tansy oil by Acure. I love this actually. I just haven't been using oils. Maybe I will once it gets like a little bit colder. Mizmira pads. Haven't used them in forever, but I love them. I just don't really use them. This facial brush that I never use. Mizon. I did use this a couple times. I just see like no difference in my skin. I actually really like these. I really, really like these. They work. This I use quite a bit, actually. The cleanser I've been using it doesn't need this. I need a new cleanser, to be honest. This I really hated. It smells exactly like geranium. I liked it at first and I didn't like it. So maybe I should just get rid of it. I don't know. I could add it to my body or my body products. It's kind of a good idea. Maybe I'll do that. I like this. There's like 2 drops left. No, there's actually quite a bit left. Maybe like, oh, you can see it down there. I mean, the packaging was only this big to begin with. So that's quite a bit. It's about, like a fifth of it. But I just haven't been using acids on my face for some reason. Oh, because I've been microneedling and whatevs. This is an eye serum. I don't really use eye products, but this is pretty good. I like how thin and oily and watery it is at the same time. Sample. This is a really good moisturizer. PCA Skin Clear Skin. It's like a jelly. It's like a gel cream. Kind of like proteiny vibes. Glossier Invisible Shield. It's fragrant. You know how I feel about that. So, I don't know. No. Argan oil. Gotta always have argan oil in your repertoire. Like, this is mandatory. This is a sample of a pumpkin enzyme by Clarity that I was totally not impressed with. I'm very partial to which pumpkin enzyme I like. This I like a lot. It's an essence, so like if I'm traveling, I bring this with me because it's like more of a solid. It's like a solid essence, almost like a gel aloe type serum. So it's an essence, but it's, yeah, if you want to travel. I just kind of like essences in general, just I kind of feel like are a waste of time all of a sudden. So this I literally don't use. Like if I break out with a product or I think that I broke out with a product, it's just like a bad vibe for me. That's kind of like if you get like food poisoning from a certain food, you don't want to eat it. Like that's how I feel about this. Maybe I should also use that on my body. Okay, this vitamin C it's pretty good. It's just boring to me. It's like a really boring product and the packaging is so unattractive. I'm not like drawn towards it at all. I use this mask a lot. This is pretty much the only mask I have right now. I should probably change that. These are the products I'm using down here. This is what I'm using like on a daily basis, and I really don't change it up that much. I find one thing I like and I stick with it. And like sometimes I'll have a couple of the same, like I have 2 or 3 different hyaluronic acids that I rotate through. I have 2 different moisturizers I rotate through. Actually, well, 3 if you count my SPF. I have 1 serum that I'm using. It's my serum that I developed. Actually, I have 2 serums. Vitamin C. Sorry if this is blurry. I don't know. Our power's out, like FML. Okay. Vitamin C serum. So yeah, 2 serums that I use morning, evening, morning. Sometimes morning, but mostly evening, morning, and evening. Nah, I never use that in the evening. Morning, another serum, okay. This is technically kind of like a really watery serum, like hyaluronic acid. I mean, technically these are all serums, fuck it. Cleanser oil that I hate, like burns the hell out of my eyes, but there was no other available option at CVS. How is that possible? How is that possible? Okay, so this is exactly what I'm using.